friends and family coming over for Ramadan dinner last minute? No time to prepare food? Let me show you how to prepare a delicious home-cooked meal in 30 minutes. Minimum prep and cleanup. Only need to use one tray for this quick and easy recipe. Anybody can do it, only with the Mayer Combi steam oven. Ding. I'm using store-bought korma paste for the convenience, as all the spices are mixed together. After mixing well, we will set aside for 10 to 15 minutes to marinate. I'm gonna take out the tray from the oven. Careful, the tray is hot. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of ghee. So after adding the ghee, I'm gonna add in the sliced onions and garlic. Did you know with Mayer's Combi steam function, you reduce cooking time while retaining a juicy, tender chicken every time. And this gives you a fluffier rice texture and you don't get the burnt bottom bits like the traditional rice cooker.
Serial one!
With the built-in timer to cut off cooking, you have ample time to relax while your food is cooking. Dixon! Banners! Come and have a taste! Ding 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 ding! Ah! You are here! Let's have a taste.
Wow, the chicken that tender, eh? The rice is so fluffy, man. Wow, shook.
Wishing our Muslim friends
Selamat berpuasa!